Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're watching and liking the video. And as you know that we have surpassed the 1k mark, so I thought why not make a new video. If you have to multiply 49 by 167, so we can try by the reverse percentage, that we will do 167 times 49. Now what to do 167 times 49? I'll find 167 times 50, which is quite easier. 167 times 100, which is 16,700, and making half is much easier, 8,350. The last step, that I will just minus 167 from it. This is also easier, 8,000. If I take 167 and I have to reach to 350, so 167 plus 100 is 267, and it will be 3 and 8 and 1, 8,183. So 167 times 49 is 8,183. I will tell you, if you have to subtract 8,350 minus 167, you can take 8,167 to reach till 8,350. So 167, I will add 200, that will be 8,367, and then I thought it's extra and I have to reach to 50, so I will still subtract from it one more number, which is 200 minus 17, which will be 3, 8 and 1. So I have to add 183 to make it 8,350. So 8167 plus 183 is actually 8,350. Similarly, 8,350 minus 167 will give you 8,183. So hope you like this video, and if you like, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.